is May 26th. Welcome back to McManus Meadows. This is Grandman. Here at the end of this paddock. I'm going to leave access to this paddock for the next little bit. Hey, goggles. Everybody looks pretty good. Got a fair number of butterflies here. But cows are looking like they're ready to move somewhere. So I'm going to make a few adjustments and then we'll be figuring out the move for today. I know where we're not going. We're not going up the hill. So, yeah, thanks for watching. Probably carve out a lane down behind this shack for the rest of today and tonight. Stay tuned for that. Well, I'm just heading back down the path and I'm going to open up the lane. It's going to be, I'm going to move them down. They'll collect hopefully by the shop. It's a little slick here. We had rain last night. It's overcast again today. Probably going to rain again. I'm going to leave the water up here until tomorrow. See how they do behind the shack from a just see how much they eat of the foliage that's back there. So let's see. Here comes Goggles. And Ginger. Yep. Rain's coming down. A lot of mosquitoes. Here comes our little buddy. All right. Just head down the path with them and catch you on the other side. Well, they've made it. Now it's time for you to open up this next gate and let them have the paddock behind the shack. Well, there goes wow, they're eyeing those raised beds. See how they do back here. And it's raining. getting a couple back rubs. Oops, they all started running as the rain came down. That's weird. Well, we'll leave them here for a little bit and I will be back. See if they stay down here, they go back up to the top, but fair amount of foliage for them to eat. So, not sure they're liking the rain much. Just a quick look in the middle meadow at sort of what's left from a grass perspective after the first pass in 2024. Yeah, we're on our way back down to our bottom, so more to come. Well, here's the herd chilling in the shade behind our shack, shop, and shed. See what this looks like after a day of relaxing. Wow. Ginger and Millie look a lot alike. See how the calf's doing. Well, this is probably going to be the last, oh, look at that. I'm always amazed when Millie starts pushing people around. Here's our little 4501 JB. Big stretch. Yeah, so they've got all the way back up to the middle today, and then tomorrow we'll be making the move down toward the bottom. Probably in 2 steps and give them sort of this top just behind the shack for a little while and then open it up. I think that's going to be it for today. Thanks for watching. Hope everybody has a great Memorial Day weekend, and it's a great time to reflect and remember the sacrifices others have made for us. Thanks for watching. Well, I decided that I am going to give them everything, not just the first half. So they've had the first half. It's now, what time is it? I think it's like 3:34. So they've had this first half behind the shack shop for 3 or 4 hours. There's some impact, but I'm going to give them the next tranche until tomorrow morning. So see what they accomplish by then. So that wasn't the end. This may be the end. Let me just open the paddock up. See if they make the move. Maybe I have to be down there. There's those goggles. JB. Interesting how they scout out the different plants. That's right. When we finally do get moved out here, this hopefully will be a little neater than kind of let it grow up quite a bit this year. This is, if you remember, this is where we spent the big freeze. So. I've got a line across the path down to the bottom. So I'm going to have to spend the night up here or in the middle field, but you're a day away from some awesome grass. Well, I'm definitely getting killed by the mosquitoes, so that's going to be it officially for today. All right, goggles. Thanks everybody for watching.
That's the end for today. Thanks for watching. We'll continue to share our journey at Grandman Ranch.